So I wasn't expecting to do another ha funny video devlog update. I was hoping I'd be able to get everything working for an actual devlog update where I just talk about what I've created so far and go over how it works and the future ideas I have. But some things have come up. For instance, I accidentally created a time anomaly in my code. It happens right here. As you can see, the ping timer is 10, and time.delta time makes it so it runs for 10 in-game seconds. So if you think about it, this part should run, this while loop should run in 10 in-game seconds, right? Well, let's just watch this. Just gotta give it some time. So if we click on the enemy, we can see over here, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of that runs instantly. And if we go over what's going on here, we can see the countdown happening. It takes 10 seconds for the countdown to happen. It's 10, it's 10. And then starts counting down. The while loop is running. It's counting down. Nothing else is being printed because the while loop is happening. And the countdown, the 10-second countdown happens, and then the code finishes. But it happens instantly, which shouldn't happen. So I created a time anomaly in my code. My going theory at the moment for why that happens has to do with this bit right here, time.delta time. I think what's going on is the while loop has a separate in-game time than the update function, where I also have time.delta time. The update function runs in in-game time, while the while loop runs in its own weird time bubble. And I think because it's a while loop, the delta time frame rate is infinite because delta time is frame rate dependent. So basically that would mean if, for instance, if I had it as just time, I think you'd have to do time.realtime. That would mean the timer would run for 10 real life seconds. So what that means is if you have a really bad computer, for instance, if it takes 10 seconds for one frame to move, that would mean the 10-second timer would happen in a single frame, which isn't realistic. That's not how the timer should work because it should be based off of in-game seconds and not real life seconds. So this is frame rate specific. So it converts real time into game time based off of your frames per second. So if you have a computer that can run at an infinite number of frames per second, what would happen is, I think theoretically, the timer would instantly go away since it's 10 but it should convert itself. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is just my theoretical guess on what's happening. But yeah, I created a time anomaly. I don't know how to fix it.